The #1 mount brand in the US and maker of the original MagicMount system, proudly introduces MagicMount Pro, the revolutionary magnetic mounting system for smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Available in multiple designs, there's a MagicMount Pro for all of your mounting needs. The MagicMount Pro has 30% more holding power than its predecessor and comes with 2 stylish interchangeable trim rings for a sleek, streamlined finish. Additional trim rings make it possible for you to match or contrast your mount with the color of your mobile device or complement your vehicle's interior. To use the MagicMount Pro system, attach the ultra-thin Magic Plate to your device between your device and case or behind the battery cover. Hover your device near MagicMount and it snaps securely in place. MagicMount is 100% safe for mobile devices. The MagicMount Pro Dash Mount, thanks to automotive-grade adhesive, stays put until you're ready to remove it. With 360-degree mounting flexibility, MagicMount Pro securely grips your device vertically or horizontally and provides quick and easy access to your cable. The MagicMount Pro Window Dash Mount, equipped with SCOSCHE's stick grip, adheres tightly and securely to windows, dashes, and textured surfaces. The MagicMount Pro Vent Mount is a great low-profile mount that's the perfect on-the-go solution. It attaches effortlessly to virtually any vent. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to take with you when you travel and doubles as a convenient kickstand. And the MagicMount Pro isn't just for your car. It's perfect for mounting your device in your kitchen, your office, your workshop, even your backyard patio. There's a MagicMount Pro for just about any place and any situation. You'll also want to check out SCOSCHE's other great mounts, such as the MagicMount XL headrest, great for rear seat entertainment, or the MagicMount Power Bank, lightweight portable charging power, available in Lightning and micro USB models.